Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning. Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
So we discussed last day the parts of the day. And which are the 4 parts of the day? Adna, which are the 4 parts of the day?
Morning.
Morning, afternoon,
Afternoon.
uh, evening, and morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Morning.
How many hours are there in a day?
40.
How many hours are there in a day? 24. The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon, what we call morning. Yes. The time at 12 noon is called time at 12 noon is called midday. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now all of you please listen here. See, today we are going to arrange the activities in order. That means earlier to later. We are arranging the activities in order. Earlier to later. I will give you some activities. You have to tell me in order. Okay. And the activities are sleeping, playing, going to school. Please listen. Sleeping, playing, going to schools. So 3 activities are there. Which is the first one? If you are writing in an order, which will come first?
Going to school.
Very good, Taman. It's going to school. What is the next one? After going to school, what? Playing. Very good. Playing. And the last one, the third one? Sleeping. Very good. Okay. So the first activity we are going to do is we are arranging the activities from earlier to later. Earlier means before, later means after something. That is the first activity we are going to do today. Another one, we are doing many activities in a day. We are writing, we are learning, we are studying, having breakfast, eating, drinking, many activities. In these activities, if we observe, we can see some activities take less time, some take more time. Some activities take less time, short time. Some activities take more time. I will give you 2 activity. Tell me which one take more time and which one take less time. Okay. Eating breakfast, drinking water, a glass of water. Which will take less time? See, I will tell once again, listen. Eating breakfast, drinking a glass of water. Which will take less time? Less. Oh, yes, drinking a glass of water take less time. But eating breakfast take more time. Another example, please listen. See, brushing the teeth, having breakfast. Which will take less time? Very good. Brushing the teeth. Brushing the teeth take less time, but having breakfast take more time. So please take a textbook, all of you. Please take a textbook. Let's do some activities. Means some exercises are there in the textbook. Let's do. Page number 16. Textbook page number 16. Yes, Adon. Yes, Adon.
Andrea.
Who is calling? Page number 16. The same page I will share on you.
Ma'am.
Ah, yes, I can hear. Please tell me.
Ma'am. All the notes.
Yes, Andrea?
All the notes sending in the group.
Yeah, yes, I will send the notes. Take textbook, all of you. Do you have the textbook with you, Andrea? Do you have the textbook with you? Textbook part 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Please take it. Please take it. Textbook part 2. Page number 16. Textbook part 2. Page number 16.
Page number 16, we have done it.
But one exercise is there no at the top. Arrange the following from what you do earlier to later in a day.
Yes.
That we have to do today. So are you all ready? Shall we start?
Yes.
So here we have, please be quiet. Please listen to ma'am. So here we have, arrange the following from what you do earlier to later in the day. Once again, arrange the following from what you do earlier to later in the day. So we have to arrange the activities. So we will write the number. The first one will come 1. The second activity will come 2, like that. Okay, let us see the first question. First one, A, sleeping, playing, going to school, brushing teeth. Once again, sleeping, playing, going to school, brushing teeth. So which one will come first?
Brushing teeth.
Very good.
Brushing
Go to brushing teeth 1, number 1. So we can write number 1. Above that activity, you can write number 1. Brushing teeth, number 1. So after brushing teeth, which activity will come? We have sleeping, playing, going to school.
Going to school.
Very good. So we can write number 2. Going to school, number 2. Going to school, number 2. Now the remaining, sleeping, playing. Sleeping, playing.
To listen or write.
Sleeping, playing.
Play. And we
Playing.
write.
So number 3, playing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You can write in the textbook itself. Adon, it's 1B now. 1A it was 9:10 to 9:50. And we didn't reach this portion at all.
Okay.
If you want to continue, you can continue, no problem.
No. I am
Now,
one second.
the last activity, that is sleeping. Okay, that we can give number. Which number will give? 4. So the first activity, brushing the teeth. Second one, going to school. Third, playing. And the fourth one, sleeping. The next one you have to do. We will discuss after some time. Okay. And here we have B. Wearing clothes, wearing shoes, wearing socks, waking up. You arrange it. You put a number for them. Number the activities. No need to tell me now. You do it. No need to tell me now. You do it. Number the activities. After that we can check. Wearing clothes, wearing shoes, wearing socks, waking up.
Waking up.
John Paul, I will ask you later. Please write there the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you think and write. Which one will come first? Second, third, fourth. Question number 2. B. Wearing clothes, wearing shoes, wearing socks, waking up. Did you complete numbering the activities? Okay. So let's discuss the answer. Okay. Now you please listen here. Listen here. Okay. Now, Elon,
Waking up.
tell me the answer. Okay. Elon, tell me the answer. And here we have the activities: wearing clothes, wearing shoes, wearing socks, waking up. Which is the first activity, Elon? Unmute and tell me which is the first activity. The first one will come. Is it wearing clothes or wearing shoes, wearing socks, waking up? The first one?
Waking up.
Very good. Waking up. So we can put a number 1 for waking up. Okay, good boy. Now, Shivat, what will come second? We have wearing clothes, wearing shoes, wearing socks. Which one will come second?
Wearing clothes.
Very good. So we can put it number 2, wearing clothes. The remaining we have wearing shoes, wearing socks. Harriet, which will come third?
Wearing socks.
Very good. Wearing socks. So number 3, wearing socks. Now the last one, Arnav, which is the last one? Wearing?
Wearing shoes.
Very good. Wearing shoes. When you're going to school, these all activities you are doing. You will be waking up, you will wearing clothes, you will wear socks, then the last one wearing shoes. So let's move to C. You do it. After some time we can discuss. Okay. C, we have shower, sleeping, waking up, going to school. Please do it.
Waking up.
Shower, sleeping, waking up, going to school. Think and write the number. I will ask you. Please be quiet. Number the activities first.
Ma'am, had it completed.
So let's discuss the answer. Number C. Here we have, please be quiet. Shower, sleeping, waking up, going to school. Mohammed Aidin, which activity will come first? Which one will come first? Number one.
Number one.
Which one is number one?
Waking up.
Waking up. Okay, we can write number one, waking up. Now, Hesam, which one will come second? Hesam. We have shower, sleeping, going to school. Which one will come second? Hesam.
Shower.
Shower. So, number two, shower. Now, Ishan, what will come next? We have sleeping, going to school.
Going to school.
So, we can number three is going to school. Now, the last one.
The bird.
Last one, sleeping. So, we can put number four,
I
sleeping.
cannot see the bird.
Number four, we have sleeping. So we arrange the activities from earlier to later. So let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next one.
Yes.
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 So please take page number 17. Page number 17. Here we can see example 3. Put the pictures in sequence by numbering them. One is done for you. So let us see the first one.
Share the notebook.
So here we can see the pictures. See, what is the first pictures? What is the first picture? Cutting vegetables. Second one, washing the vegetables. Third one, cooking. And the fourth one, putting powders and all into the vegetables. So what will come first? Which is the first one will come first step? What will come first? Washing vegetables. Yes, it's already written here. Washing vegetables. What is the next step? After washing, what we will do? Cutting. We will cut the vegetables. Then after cutting vegetables, what is the next one? We will put this powders. Which all powders? Turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, or some masalas and all we will put. No, so third one, this one, and the last one. So that is the order. Now you understood, no? Now look at the next one. You do it. Number the activities. The first one you can see eating breakfast. Second one, waking up. Third one, third picture you can see studying. And the last one you can see brushing the teeth. Now number the activities. Which one will come first? Do it. After some time we can check it. So, no need to say the answer now. No need to say the answer now. We will discuss after some time. You do it first of all. Having breakfast, waking up, studying, brushing the teeth.
I have completed.
John Paul, please unmute and tell me. Which is the first activity?
Waking up.
Very good. So waking up is the first. So here we can put a number 1. Okay. Now, what will come second? What will come second? Manha Fatima. What will come second?
Brushing the teeth.
Manha Fatima. What is the next activity? We have breakfast, studying, brushing the teeth.
Brushing the teeth.
Brushing the teeth. So we can write number 2 here. Now we have breakfast and studying. So what will come third? Rasha, what will come third? 3, number 3. Breakfast or studying?
Andrea.
Breakfast. Okay. So number 3, breakfast. Now the last step or last activity.
Andrea.
What is that, Andrea?
Study.
Study. So you can write the number. Number 1, waking up. Number 2, brushing the teeth. Number 3, having breakfast. Number 4, studying.
I have completed.
So please take a page number 18. Those who have completed, please take a page number 18.
Next page number.
Page number 18. 1818. Now, please listen. See, tick the activity that is done earlier. See, tick the activity that is done earlier. You can see 2 activities here. A pair of activities are given. You have to put a tick mark for the earlier activity. Okay, earlier activity. So here we have the first one. A, showering, brushing. Which is earlier? Darshak Unnikrishnan. Which one is earlier? Showering, brushing.
Brushing.
Brushing. So you can put a tick mark for brushing. Please put a tick mark for brushing. Now, Taman, what about the next one? B, dinner, going to bed. Taman, dinner, going to bed.
Dinner going to bed.
Which one is earlier?
Dinner.
Dinner, going to bed. Yes, dinner is earlier. So we can put a tick mark for dinner. All of you, please put tick mark for the activity dinner. Now let's move to C.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here we have going to school, playing. Richard, going to school, playing. Which one is earlier?
Going to school.
Very good. So you can put tick mark for going to school. Going to school is earlier. Now, Darsh Krishna, please unmute and tell me the next one. D. Here we have having breakfast, having lunch. Which one is earlier?
Having breakfast.
Very good. It's having breakfast. Having breakfast is earlier. Having lunch is later. Now, Dhananjay, please unmute and tell me the last one. E. Please unmute. Getting ready for school, waking up. Waking up. Very good. Waking up is earlier. So you can put a tick mark for waking up. Very good. So the first one, showering, brushing. Brushing is earlier. B, dinner, going to bed. Dinner is earlier. Going to school, playing. Going to school is earlier. Having breakfast, having lunch. Having breakfast is earlier. Getting ready for school, waking up. Waking up is earlier. Here also we can see different activities take different times. Some activities take less time. Some activities take more time. Please take a page number 19. Please take a page number 19. Those who have completed, please take a page number 19. And here we can see some pictures. A pair of activities are given and you have to tick the activity which take less time. See, tick the activity which take less time in the given pair of activities. Now let us see in the next page. You have to put a tick mark for the activity which is taking less time. Taking less time. Now A. And here we have, Liz Maria, please unmute and tell me what is the picture, what you can see in the picture. Liz Maria, please unmute, my dear. Taking bath.
Ma'am. Brushing.
Brushing the teeth. So which take less time? Taking bath or brushing the teeth?
Brushing.
Brushing the teeth. So it's already put tick mark there, so no need to put again. Let's move to B. And here we have, Ayan Chicho, please unmute and tell me the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Filling a glass of water. Filling a glass of water. Next one, filling a bucket of water. So which takes less time, my dear? A glass of water, a glass or a bucket?
Glass water.
A glass. So you can put a tick mark for glass. It takes less time. But if it is bucket, it takes more time.
Ma'am.
Yes.
This is the class number.
This is 1B. The class is 1B. Now let's move to C. Let's move to C. And here we have, Aldrin, please unmute and tell me what you can see in the picture. Aldrin P. Joman, please unmute and tell me what you can see in the picture. C.
Walking.
They are walking
Cycling.
to school. Walking, cycling. So which take less time?
Cycling.
If you're going by cycle, it will take less time. But if you're walking to school, it takes more time. So cycling take less time. So you can put a tick mark for cycling.
Cycling.
Okay, cycling. Now the next one we have D. And here we have Ved Pradap, please unmute and tell me the next one. D.
Lift.
Using lifts. One man is using lifts. The other one using stairs. So
Yes.
who will take less time? Using lift or going by staircase?
Lift.
Lift take less time. So you can put a tick mark for using lift.
I have completed.
Okay, now those who have completed, please take page number 20. Please take page number 20. And here we have, which activity in each of the pairs will take a longer time to finish? Two activities are given. Here you have to write which activity takes longer time. Let's see the first one. A. Here we have A. Eating lunch, brushing teeth. Eating lunch, brushing teeth. So which activity takes longer time to complete? Andrea? Eating lunch, brushing teeth. Which activity takes longer time to finish? Eating lunch or brushing teeth? Andrea, please listen here. If you don't have the textbook also, please listen here. See, eating lunch, brushing teeth. Which one take longer time to finish? Andrea? Andrea? Eating lunch. Very good. So you can write there eating lunch. So all of you please write. Yes, please write eating lunch. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating lunch. L-U-N-C-H. Eating lunch. Eating lunch. Eating lunch takes longer time to finish than brushing teeth. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. L-U-N-C-H. A lunch. Next we have, shall we move to B?
Ma'am.
So B we have writing a page or reading a page. Tirtha, which takes longer time? Writing in a page or reading in a page? Reading a page.
Writing.
Very good, very good. So we can write the answer, writing a page. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing a page. You can see the spelling in the question itself. Writing a page. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing a page. P-A-G-E. Page.
I have completed.
Okay, okay. Some students are still writing. Let them complete.
Ma'am, I completed.
Now, those who have completed, try to read the question C. Question C, we have walking to school, running to school. Walking to school, running to school. Harriet, tell me the answer. Walking to school or running to school? Which take a longer time, more time?
Walking to school.
Very good. It's walking to school. So we can write walking to school. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Walking to school. C-S-C-H-O-O-L. Walking to school takes longer time.
Have
Completed? Okay, good.
I have completed.
What about others? Did you complete the answer of C? No. Okay, complete it, complete it, complete it.
Now I completed. Yes, ma'am.
So here we have the next one. Let's move to the next one. Example 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Let's move to the next one. Observe the given pictures and fill in the blanks. One is done for you. You can see the pictures and you have to read the question and you have to tell me the answer. Okay. And here we have A. We do many activities during the dash. See, is it at night or day? What time we are doing many activities? Is it at the night or is it at the day?
Day.
We are doing many activities during the daytime. See, daytime we are brushing the teeth, going to school, studying, having lunch, having breakfast. Many activities we are doing, playing, doing homework, having lunch. Many things we are doing. So many activities we do during the day. It's already done here. See, it's given night or day. So the answer is already written there, daytime. You can see the picture also. The first one is night. The second one is day. You can see the sun. So during the daytime, we do many activities. Let's move to B. Let's move to B. And Aaron, please read the question B. Please read, unmute and read.
Ma'am.
I
Spent
spent more time
more time
dash. You can see the picture, watching TV, studying. What about you? You will spend more time for which activity? Watching TV or studying? Aaron?
studying.
Very good. Very
Studying.
good. Studying. So you can put a tick mark for studying. I spent more time for studying. I spent more time for studying. Now we have the next one, C. I take more time while reading. You can see a page. You can see a book. See, I take more time reading a page or reading a book. Which is the answer?
Reading a book.
Reading a book. For the page, for a page, it is less time. I will take less time. But reading a book, I will take more time. So you can put a tick mark for a book. I take more time while reading a book. So the remaining questions, we will do it in the next class. Okay. So the same pages I will send in the group also, and those who have network issue, those who didn't complete, please look at the group and you can complete it. So is it clear? We are arranging the activities from earlier to later, and some activities take less time to finish. Some activities take more time to finish.
This is easy.
That's good. Okay then. See you in the next
Very
class.
easy.
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye.